Hubbell Wiring Device-Kellems has always been the electrical industry's most trusted manufacturer of motor disconnects for line-of-sight applications, in the harshest environments. In response to hygienic design best practices, Hubbell introduces the totally modernized line of circuit lock disconnects. Featuring a streamlined enclosure, complete with rounded surfaces and a sloped top, these disconnects more efficiently shed water, dirt, and debris. Easily withstanding aggressive, chemical-laden washdowns, these devices are built to last with a corrosion and impact-resistant, UV-stabilized construction, offering IP69k and UL Type 4X water ingress protection. These disconnects have been rigorously tested with high-volume water jets and pressurized dust chambers to ensure they can withstand the most extreme cleaning procedures without compromising functionality. Certified by NSF International for hygiene and food processing applications, these devices meet and exceed every food safety requirement. The highly visible red handle clearly communicates on-off status, and our unique switch design meets OSHA Lockout Tagout requirements, while being compatible with padlocks, multi-hasp and cable lockout tools. Our new integral spring-loaded brass pins inherently contact terminal screws when the cover is secured to the base, so no wire harness or tabs need to be terminated, only the ground wire. Superior safety and reliability gets a clean new look. Hubbell's non-metallic slope disconnect with installation-free insight.